I'm Florence Ballard A3060 and you're into something good. Yes guys, starring the Hoover A3060 again. This might be the last wash before the machine goes into storage, so let's enjoy. So guys, here she is again, the beautiful Hoover A3060 Electronic 1100. We are going to be washing this jumbo-sized, sort of blanketed sofa throw in there. It's a lot bigger than the other one that I've washed that causes the detrimental violent spins. So this one should be a lot better for the machine. This throw was brought today, so I'm just getting rid of the storeroom sort of shop floor smell off it. Just going to do a freshen up wash, so we're only going to do it on program E non-fast colours 40, which will probably take about 30 minutes to do. We're going to be using my favourite detergent, Fletti Non-Bio from Waitrose, and this new Comfort Perfume Deluxe Cocoa Fantasy. I think we used that on the, I think we might have used it on the, we did another video of this machine that will be released later on, so this is the last video of the machine that I'll put in for now, and then all the others that I film will be for future use. So we're going to get washing this and we'll see what happens. Let's get loading her. Nice fluffy white. That should be fine in there. We might get a good few suds lots, but I'm going to be very careful with my dosage of that detergent. So I'm going to do the old shake it into the powder drawer, but I'm only going to use a little. I was going to do a pre-wash, but we don't need to do. That's literally like how much we'll use. It doesn't need that much. And then we'll rinse the drawer out after using Comfort, because we know what that sort of leaves the slimy residue behind. So we're using program E, 40 degrees Celsius, non-fast colours. I'll turn that round. And start. Got a fast spin. Enjoy guys. Can't wait to have this on my sofa bed tonight. I'll sit it in the white line after. We also got a smart meter, so I'll be able to tell when this machine's heating now. That's good. There we go, so nice gentle action at first. Bobble it. Okay. Like hardly use any detergent and it gets that salty. There we go. Yeah, so it'll take up a lot of the inside. Just lets water trickle through. Hot water that is, bloody hell. That's still filling. It's very gentle action, which is good. So on the heating stage now, and on the smart meter, the total input for the total usage of the house right now is 3.137 kilowatts, because this has a 2.6 kilowatt heater. This has got, I think, 2650, I think. Yeah, this is like a 2600 watt heater. So yeah. Mind you, it won't be heating for that long though. Like I said, I will stop this machine if she becomes unbalanced. Too hot, too much. That's in the 9530 take that one. No. And there we go, we've heated to 40. That's literally how quickly this thing heats up. See the... It's dropped down now, so you see there. Well, that should now drop down because I'm sure we've stopped, unless we continue heating. Maybe we do actually. Using gas 0 watt because we're literally not using any of the heating. Oh, it's dropping. 3.1 kilowatts. Okay, that's interesting. We're obviously still heating then. It's funny because I can't hear it. And we're on the dilution rinse. The good thing with deep level rinsing is we drop all the way down to 439 watts of usage. So the heater stage remains on for the whole time though. Oh, the motor uses 200 watts, that's what it is. The good thing with the deep level rinse means it will provide gentler action for the blanket, see? That's an awful lot of weight on the suspension. That's why I'm glad this thing does have a very tough suspension. Heavy sod lock for that, Hey, distribution drain. See what we get. So we're not going to do what the 9530 does, balls us up and then throws it all to one side at the last minute. I can turn the light a bit better on this. Oh God. I hope we're able to distribute this around the drum. God. We can't allow that. Allow it for a distribution drum, but not for a spin. first rinse. We actually came to a standstill. Okay, first rinse failed. I'm going to be close little eye watch on the spins for this one. I just remembered how vintage machines will sort of struggle a bit with heavier. See how much more gentler the action is. Well, I'm glad the machine does do that dilution rinse after everything. It does prevent fabric shock. Oh, I can't wait to get the knife eye through it back in though. Even though I've been so grateful I've had this machine in for a while, I really have missed the knife eye. That hasn't been in since May. Let's see if I not respond to any comments I haven't responded to on Facebook. Alright, first intermediate spin. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't have to stop the machine. I'm scared. Do I stop or what? She doesn't see that. She's going to redistribute herself. Oh. Jesus. Don't like this. You know if the drum moves in a Hoover, you know it's unbalanced. Vintage Hoover anyway. Machine spin. The weight will go off when the machine. See that? Huge sudsnock. This is how you handle it. Look at that, clear. Not even, but it's calmed down unbalance wise. Perfect. I'd like to see a fair few modern machines do that. I think that unbalanced out really well actually. 5-second rinse. And add the conditioner in. The Cocoa Fantasy by Comfort of the Perfume Deluxe range. Okay, we're almost filled. Handle it very well. Mr. Zanussi Guy 1600, Ben, if you're watching this, I really love your new machine that you have on Instagram, your Hotpoint WT540. Did they do a super silent version of that? Because I've seen it branded as super silent. Here we go. Right, let's get the conditioner ready. So. I'm being naughty and do a full cap because it's a new one. Obviously you guys don't need to see me add it, but it smells like a baby in a way. Again, I get where it's not rinsed out before the door. Okay, second and final intermediate spin. Hopefully we get a same balance spin. And we'll be ready for the conditioner afterwards. Because it's a large throat. Oh, good. Stay like that. It's unbalanced and not as unbalanced. There's a lot of back and forth movement though. Not bad. Handled up well. Shock absorber's not from the you see. Characteristic sound of the shock absorbers. Some of the final spin's a bit better behaved. Well, it is well behaved. final rinse comes the conditioner. That's going to smell amazing. And that's all gets stuck to the side. Okay, we're almost through for the final rinse. Can't believe everything's stuck to the side. See a cloudiness with the colour of the conditioner. Whoa. It's going to smell amazing. Okay, final spin. That'll be it. That machine does the last part of the really intense rinsing there. Doesn't really matter what happens to the first burst because it's just the burst to keep the water out. What's the bet we will not have that smooth of a spin? On the final rampart. It's a bit like the Niagara Falls. Whiny that motor is. Chugging a bit though. I mean, technically we're distributing, water's still actually coming out of that is because of how heavy that is. So it gets a little bit lighter in distribution. Waterfall. Oh, it really rinses all the suds out. Is it going to fall, I wonder? Probably won't. That probably will stay stuck to the side. Which will be good in a way because chug. That was actually quite balanced. Chugging away there. I think that's going to stay stuck for now, yeah. It's chugging nicely. Oh, forget it. No, we dropped. At least I'll loosen it out a bit. It's better not make it more unbalanced. Ah, it's final ramp up now anyway, here we go. Balance yourself, Lawrence. That should be balanced, I think. There's still a bit more water to kick out in that. You think it's going to be unbalanced? I think so. Should show off for one of my videos. I love the way that pump is chugging. I've never heard it do that before. Pretty smooth in a way. Because a smoother spin means we'll hit 1100 a lot quicker and achieve better speed. So good off that comes out of the dryer. So you can see that's pretty smooth. How quickly that ramps up. Because every time the machine speeds up, of course the load gets lighter. That's it, 1100 RPM. Smooth as anything. And just kicks out the last bit of water that's needed. Even the sides aren't really trembling that much. Yeah, I can picture of that. Amazing for a vintage washing machine how well this spin dries. See if it's still stuck to the side. Yeah, I expect it to. Oh no. It's trying to stay stuck on the side. It might stay stuck around the side. That's almost ready for the sofa bed. See how the dryer goes with this now. It's good when I can wash that in a washer dryer. Wow, it's actually stuck to the side. No, here we go. Never mind. 3, 2, 1. We're about to fall and drop. There's part of it still stuck on there. That's it now. There we go. A little bit of time to loosen up. I might do a sleep aid video of this machine, maybe just the pump sound. All done. Time to unload. That's very dry, and it hasn't balled it up like the hot point normally does. There's no fibres in there or anything like that. No, none of that. That's what happens when you don't have brisk action. It smells like a tropical island in there. Right guys, so I'll clean all that up, dry that up and everything. Okay guys, so that'll be the last video of the A3060 in the house for the time being, but we have filmed some other backup videos of this to release when we have 9530. I might film one more over the weekend. By Wednesday, we're going to have the 9530 back in because that's going to be the 4-year anniversary. Because we did get the machine on September the 14th, 2016, but we didn't get the machine going until October the 14th. I tend to normally say, well, you know, when we got it going. So that'll be in here. What we'll be doing for the 9530 is pulling the machine out to here and filming. So like I said, I have the machine facing this way, because you all know about the way I am about the 9.5 when she spins. So it'd be nice to have that in the middle. That's Courtney watching. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed that, guys. I'm going to put that in the dryer and it will go on my sofa bed. I hope you all have enjoyed the videos that I have released. There is a lot more coming. I don't know about the situation regarding the coronavirus at the moment, so I may be going up to Stoke-on-Trent. We'll see. But as for other washings, I don't know at the moment. We'll just have to see. Depends on how bad it gets. But there is more train videos coming and whatnot. We have filmed some ones in South Western Railway, but they're going to be released much later on and whatnot. There's a few more things in the vaults to clear up, and then we'll see what we do from there. I'll try and gather some washing machine clips again, various washing machines. I've got quite a good lot filmed for that. So, as well as possible surprises coming soon. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. And please don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow. And please, I cannot stress, guys, stay safe.